Hello and welcome to yet another episode of LeetCode 702 Search in a Sorted Array of Unknown Size. So basically, you have been given with a sorted array of unique elements and unknown size, and you do not have any access to the array, but you are given a method or an interface which is called array reader, and you can call array reader and dot get of I, where you pass an integer in the get method, and then you are able to find the index, right, where this target is located. Target is 9 and it's located in the fourth here, whereas in this problem 2 we are trying to search, but it doesn't even exist, so we return a -1. But we know it's a sorted array, so if it's not present before 5, that means it doesn't exist, right? Because after 5 it's going to be the higher elements only. So binary search works if it is a sorted array. It's easier. Without traversing all the elements, we're able to find the solution. So let's look at the solution. We have a start which is 0 and the end which is 1, and here I keep exponentially increasing the end value, multiples of 2. If it is reader.get of end is less than the target value, then I keep multiplying end equals n into 2, and first it will be 2, 4, then 4 2s are 8, then 8 2s 16, 62s are 32, and so on and so forth, right? And until it's less than the target value. Then we do the basic binary search code, which is start equals n divided by 2, half of it. Start is always less than end, and so less than or equal to end. Do midpoint calculation using start plus n minus start divided by 2. That's the midpoint formula. And then find the value of the midpoint using reader.get of mid, and then we have 3 conditions, right? The value can be equal to the target, in which case you just return the mid. It can be less than target or greater than target. We need to handle these 3 conditions. We either move the start pointer or the end pointer, and even if end of while loop has reached and we haven't been able to find, that means it does not exist, and in that case we have to return a -1. And when I try to submit this code, it got accepted, and let me submit it. Yes, it is 0 millisecond and beats 100%. So this binary search is definitely one of the best algorithms, because I don't even have to go over entire array, right? I can just find the midpoint, and if it is found, then return and exit it without going over all the elements. So I hope this explanation was easy and simple. This is yet another binary search which I have been solving. Please go over all the LeetCodes where I have solved the binary search problems. So I'm first tackling all the binary search in this LeetCode series. Hope to see you yet again another video. Thank you.